Welcome to the Avantis tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create an Avantis profile and earn XP. Begin by visiting the Avantis website. Link your EVM wallet here. After connecting, verify the referral code. It will provide a fee discount. Before we start earning XP, add USDC to your wallet on the base network. You can track all your points on the XP dashboard, which you can access by clicking the corresponding button on the top of Avantis' website. There are two types of Avantis experience points: liquidity and trading points. Let's start with trading. Go to the Trade tab. Here, you can find all the features of a perpetual trading platform. Enter how many tokens you want to trade, choose your leverage, and approve spending on tokens. After double-checking everything, place your order. Your active order details will be shown at the bottom of the screen. Now let's see how to earn liquidity points. Go to the Earn tab. Here, choose your preferred vault. Enter the amount of USDC you would like to deposit and approve spending of tokens. After that, click on the deposit button and confirm your transaction in the wallet. Earlier, we noted that you can monitor your progress on the XP dashboard. As you can see, we've begun to accumulate points. The more you gather, the higher your rank on the leaderboard.